Hey y'all, so I just wanted to give an update on this wig that I purchased from Jessica Hair from Amazon. It is doing pretty good. I think I've had it in for about a week. The only issue I've been having is trying to find the right product that will keep the hair looking like this. I like for my curly wigs to look moisturized, to look hydrated, not dehydrated. And before today, I've been having a difficult time figuring out what will work for this hair. Previous wigs that curly wigs that I've had, there was another Amazon wig that I bought a few years ago, maybe 2 years ago. And I use this Bella Curls leave-in conditioner. It's coconut whipped cream leave-in conditioner. I used this on that wig and it worked really, really well. When you first use this on the hair, it makes it really, really, really soft and manageable. You can detangle it, and I mean, it just, your brush, your fingers just glide right through the hair. However, when it dries kind of, it's just dry. Dry looking and feeling, and I don't really like that. So I couldn't use this for this hair because it just didn't work. Then I tried using my of course my holy grail, the Long Aid activator gel. Also, that didn't work either. I tried the lock method, liquid oil and cream. I used the cream, this as the cream, that didn't work. I used gel, that definitely doesn't work, to keep it hydrated. So I was talking to my sister yesterday and she was telling me about the Hawaiian Silky. Now my mom uses this on her natural hair and it doesn't work for my natural hair, so I've never thought to use it or whatever for my wigs. So went to Walmart today and just saw it and decided to get it. So this is the outcome of using this Hawaiian Silky Miracle Worker, the 14-in-1. And by far, it looks as though we have a winner. Prayerfully, this Miracle Worker will continue to work miracles on this hair. But overall, this hair is really, really nice, really manageable. It's soft. It bleached well. I did go back in and bleach the hair to make it a little lighter, and this was the final result that I got. Of course it looks wet, so it looks a little dark right now, but getting the sun and good lighting, it looks more like a reddish brownish color or whatever. So this is as light as I want it to go. I didn't really want to go any lighter. This is a 360. So if I wanted to, I could put it up in the back in a ponytail. I'll probably do that one of these days and to see what it looks like. So the hair did come pre-plucked, sort of pre-plucked, but I kind of went in because I wanted it to look more natural in the front, and I plucked some more, and this was what I got. So, of course, you can part it anywhere. Let me adjust this right quick for y'all. So, of course, you can part it anywhere. I usually wear my hair on this side, my parts or whatnot, going this way, flip over. Or I could do it this way. way, I love it. I'm just glad I don't really have to do anything to my hair right now, because I just went back to work. So I haven't been able to sit down and edit videos and post videos like I want to or wanted to. I've been preparing for reopening my facility. And so y'all bear with me, y'all pray with me. Just wanted to give y'all an update on this hair. I hope you enjoyed the video of how I installed this wig. And if you'd like to see more videos of me doing so, trust me, they're coming. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell so that you'll know when new videos are posted. I appreciate y'all. Trying to grow my YouTube family, so be sure to subscribe to this channel so that you are a part of my family. So that's it. That's all I have. Love y'all. Thank y'all. Y'all stay safe. Y'all stay blessed. And I will see y'all in the next video.